Welcome to Kryptonite. My name is Ife, and today I am going to show you how to buy top altcoins for a very cheap price. The exchange I'm going to be using is Binance. Binance is a very good exchange when it comes to buying altcoins. I would have to go and create an account. This is my dashboard of Binance. For you to know the top altcoins available, you would have to go to coinmarketcap.com. This is coinmarketcap.com, where you can see top 100 altcoins. These are the top altcoins based on market capitalization. When you go back to your Binance dashboard and you want to buy, you would have to go to your wallet. Then when you want to deposit, you have to go to deposit. You can deposit your local currency. You'd have to type the amount you would like to deposit, then click on continue. This will direct you to a page where you have to input your card details. These are the coins available in Binance that you can buy, and you can also withdraw in Binance. Click on withdraw. You can withdraw your money back to your bank. Just click on the amount you want to withdraw, then click on continue. If you would like to use Binance, I will drop my affiliate link down below in the description. Using my affiliate link, you would get 10% kickback rate commission. This is going to be the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.